Hi, today we are going to talk about how to start an LLC in Iowa. Starting an LLC in Iowa is a strategic way to establish your business while enjoying liability protection. This process involves several key steps from choosing a unique name to filing necessary documents and ensuring compliance with state regulations. Follow these steps to successfully launch your Iowa LLC and thrive in your venture. Choose a name for your LLC. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Iowa's naming requirements. The name must include limited liability company or the abbreviation like LLC. Ensure the name is not already used by checking the Iowa Secretary of State's Business Entity Database. Designate a registered agent. Appoint a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must be a resident of Iowa or a business entity authorized to conduct businesses in the state. This ensures that your LLC remains compliant with the state regulations. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Iowa Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes essential information such as the LLC's name, registered agent, and address. Filing can be done online or by mail, accompanied by the required fee. Create an operating agreement. Although not mandatory in Iowa, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended. This internal document outlines the management structure, member roles, and operating procedures of your LLC. It helps prevent disputes among members and provide clarity on business operations. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS, which is necessary for tax purposes and hiring employees. You can obtain an EIN online for free. This number identifies your business entity and is required for opening a business bank account and filing taxes. Comply with state regulations. Ensure compliance with any additional state regulations that may apply to your LLC. This may include obtaining necessary licenses or permits based on your industry. Research local regulations to ensure your business operates legally within Iowa. File biennial reports. After establishing your LLC, remember to file biennial reports with the Iowa Secretary of State every 2 years. These reports keep your business information updated and maintain good standing. Failure to file can result in penalties or dissolution of your LLC. By following these steps, you can successfully establish your LLC in Iowa, ensuring legal compliance and protection for your business. With careful planning and attention to detail, you will be well on your way to achieving your entrepreneurial goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.